Welcome to Austine Tech's today's show. And today's show is very simple. Today is 17th robotic day. If you have been in account with us, you discover that you have produced 17 different robots. And today we are making a most simple robot than the earliest one. Now today's robot, it's just a simple tractor. This simple tractor uses physics knowledge to operate. It uses the principle of the fluids. When I talk of fluids, I mean it uses liquids or gases. Now, and the requirements are few pipes, the fluid, incompressible fluid, then the cardboard, then the glue, and other few requirements that you may see. It is very cheap project. You can try it anywhere. You can even apply it in science congress fairs and other sort of things. You can try it anywhere. It's very simple. Now, welcome to the show. There is the video of how we are doing it. Then, after viewing this video, please try and subscribe, comment, and do anything. Please let us communicate. How will I know what you love and what you don't love? Try and communicate. When you communicate, will make our work easier. I will try and focus on what you love most or what you wish to know, and leave what you don't want to know. Welcome. I'm your host, Austine Tech. Game on.